Let's turn to travel now, where Expedia beat on both the top and bottom line late last week. Management says they've seen a more challenging macro environment like we just heard about. And in an interview with Squawk on the Street today, the CEO said she remains optimistic for the longer term, but there is recent softness. Take a listen.
On the air ticket prices, those have been coming down for a number of quarters. Car rental days, which had gone way up during sort of the post-COVID recovery, are also coming down. On hotels, it's early days. As I said, some of what we're seeing is a consumer trade down.
Let's bring in Daniel Kurtis for more on this. He's a media and internet analyst at Benchmark, covering the online travel names like Expedia. How did they set themselves apart in what's turning out to be a tough quarter, Daniel? Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Look, Expedia is kind of in a different spot than maybe the others. They're actually in sort of a turnaround plan. A lot of the pain they took last year was self-inflicted. And so they're kind of coming out of that. Vrbo, their home rental platform, was seeing negative growth. It just started to turn positive before the economy started to slow. They're not the only ones that have said it, right? We've heard Airbnb talk about domestic slowdown. We've heard Booking talk about European slowdown. So we'll see how this all plays out. I don't know that I would call it recession fears. We're still seeing really strong hotel pricing at this point, which suggests that there's a really strong underlying level of demand. But certainly we are keeping our eyes out on sort of consumer demand at this point.
Is it possible this is sort of like a two-humped camel, where during the pandemic we saw this surge in spending on goods, and then that's been coming down, and that's a problem for stocks like Home Depot? Then perhaps we're seeing this surge in demand for travel and whatnot. Is that coming down now? Are we going to be facing a kind of lagged disinflationary or recessionary type of environment like we've been going through for physical goods?
I would maybe call it or characterize it more as a potential normalization. I think you're right about the higher level of spending, and that probably wasn't sustainable. I mean, you can look at all the credit card data, you can look at all of the debt data that's out there. But, you know, are we going to see this two-hump camel, as you say? I don't know. I actually believe that there is going to be a persistent underlying higher level of spend on services over goods, which we saw starting once we came out of the pandemic and people were like, I got to get out of my house, right? And so I think we're at this point now where you're going to see a higher level of experiential spend. Certainly the younger demographics are spending more of their paycheck and taking these trips and, you know, living in the moment. And I think that that's going to be a longer term trend that you see here.
All right. And we'll just quickly on Airbnb. Is that an issue of it literally getting too expensive, as a lot of people like to say? Well, they just raised prices too much and this is a reset. Or is there something more going on?
Yeah, Airbnb's, they're clearly facing pressure from Booking in the domestic market. They are, I think, in general, still taking lodging share in the alternative accommodation market. They haven't grown as fast as they wanted to. I think the bigger issue on Wall Street was the margin reset. I think it was less about the growth and more about the margins for Airbnb. However, I would point out Airbnb still has not even talked about recently getting into advertising and sponsored listings. And as soon as they do that, they're going to completely juice the take rate, and that will clearly push margins substantially higher. I think people are waiting for that shoe to drop. In the meantime, unfortunately, they're losing the share gain narrative.
So why not drop the shoe? Why not just kick it all the way across the yard or whatever?
That is definitely not Airbnb's style. Airbnb moves by inches, not by yards, Kelly. And so I think that they will get there eventually. There are a lot of things between now and then, like building out experiences. I think that will be a very key component to sort of the next phase. But they have to be smart about sponsored listings, right? I mean, Airbnb is a great user experience. The minute that you introduced advertising to it, I think you just have to be careful about that. And I think that's what's kind of making them take their time.